Hello and welcome to English Lane. Today we are going to explore the extraordinary life of Thomas Alva Edison, one of the most influential inventors in history. He changed the world with his inventions, including the electric light bulb, the phonograph, and early motion picture technology. Through this video, you will also practice your English listening and pronunciation, so make sure to follow along carefully. Thomas Edison was born February 11, 1847, in Milan, Ohio, USA. He was the youngest of 7 children. His father, Samuel Edison, had moved to the United States from Canada. His mother, Nancy Edison, was a school teacher who believed strongly in education. From an early age, Edison was curious, restless, and eager to learn about everything around him. He loved asking questions, exploring new ideas, and experimenting at home. His mother recognized his potential and taught him at home after his teachers found him difficult to manage. Edison often said, "My mother was the making of me." By the age of 7, Edison was conducting small experiments with chemicals, magnets, and mechanical devices. He often used the basement of his home as a laboratory. Some experiments failed, and small accidents sometimes happened, but Edison learned from each failure. He believed learning comes from doing, not just memorizing books. At age 12, Edison began working as a newsboy on the Grand Trunk Railroad. He sold newspapers and candy to passengers while also conducting experiments in the baggage car, which he turned into a small mobile laboratory. He built telegraph devices, made chemical mixtures, and continued to develop his technical skills. This early experience taught him the importance of curiosity, persistence, and problem-solving. In his teenage years, Edison learned telegraphy and became a telegraph operator. This job allowed him to develop skills in electrical circuits and communication technology. He worked long hours, often experimenting at night, which strengthened both his technical knowledge and his creative thinking. Edison filed his first patent in 1868 for an electric vote recorder. Although the device was not commercially successful, it marked the beginning of Edison's journey as an inventor and taught him the value of protecting intellectual property. In 1869, Edison moved to New York City to advance his career. He worked on stock tickers and other telegraph devices, and met investors who later funded his major inventions. He quickly earned a reputation as a relentless inventor and a skilled problem solver. In 1876, Edison established his laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey, which was the first industrial research laboratory in history. He hired skilled workers to assist with systematic experimentation and the development of inventions on a larger scale. Menlo Park became a hub of innovation, allowing Edison to focus on practical applications for his ideas. One of Edison's most famous inventions was the phonograph, created in 1877. It was the first device capable of recording and reproducing sound. The phonograph amazed the public and earned Edison the nickname the Wizard of Menlo Park. This invention demonstrated his ability to combine curiosity, experimentation, and practical engineering. Edison's most celebrated invention is the practical electric light bulb. While he did not invent the idea of electric light, he improved existing designs and created a bulb that was safe, durable, and commercially viable. He tested over 6,000 materials for filaments before finding the perfect one. In 1879, Edison successfully demonstrated a light bulb that could burn for over 13 hours.
This invention transformed human life, extending work hours and improving quality of life across the world. After inventing the light bulb, Edison focused on electrical distribution. He built the first central power station in New York City, allowing entire neighborhoods to receive electricity. This work laid the foundation for modern electrical grids. Although he faced challenges and competitors, Edison's vision revolutionized energy use and urban life.
Edison also contributed significantly to early cinema. He invented the kinetoscope, a device for viewing motion pictures. His experiments led to the creation of the motion picture industry, showing that technology could entertain as well as inspire society. Throughout his life, Edison held over 1,000 patents. His inventions included the electric vote recorder, improved telegraph devices, stock ticker machines, alkaline storage batteries, the electric pen, and the fluoroscope used in early X-ray studies. Edison was also a shrewd businessman. He founded companies to produce and distribute his inventions, including one that became General Electric, which remains a major corporation today. He understood that inventions needed commercialization to benefit society fully. He was involved in the famous War of Currents with Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse. Edison promoted direct current, DC electricity, while Tesla supported alternating current, AC. Although AC eventually became the global standard, Edison's work in DC electricity helped establish the early electrical infrastructure in the United States. In his personal life, Edison married Mary Stilwell in 1871, and they had 3 children. After Mary's death, he married Mina Miller in 1886, and they had 3 more children. Despite his long working hours and minimal sleep, Edison valued his family and shared his love of learning with his children. Edison believed in hard work, persistence, and learning from failure. He famously said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration." His life demonstrates that consistent effort, creativity, and resilience lead to success.
Edison faced many challenges throughout his career. His early inventions often failed. He lost money in business ventures. He was criticized by peers and the public. Yet he never gave up. Failure was simply a step toward greater achievement. By the early 1900s, Edison had gained worldwide recognition. He received numerous awards and accolades and was known as the Wizard of Menlo Park. In his later years, Edison continued to experiment with batteries, cement, and other technologies. He remained active in invention until the end of his life, despite facing health challenges. Thomas Edison passed away on October 18, 1931, in West Orange, New Jersey. His death marked the end of an era, but his inventions continue to shape our daily lives. Edison left a legacy of innovation, curiosity, and determination.
Edison's work transformed modern civilization. Electric lighting changed homes and industries. Motion pictures created modern entertainment. Sound recording transformed communication and music. His contributions paved the way for future inventors and innovators. From Edison's life, we learn valuable lessons. Persistence leads to success. Failure is a learning opportunity. Curiosity drives innovation. Hard work surpasses talent when talent does not work hard. Edison believed that imagination, combined with effort, leads to great achievements.
He inspired millions to dream big and work tirelessly to achieve their goals. His life teaches that anyone can make a difference with passion, focus, and perseverance.
Thank you for watching this special episode on English Lane. We hope you not only learned about Thomas Edison, but also practiced your English listening and pronunciation skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to English Lane for more inspiring stories and English learning content.